In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable multiple answer selections in Google Forms. This is a handy feature if you want respondents to choose more than one option for a question, like selecting all the relevant items from a list. Let's dive right in and get your Google Forms set up for multiple selections. To start, open up your Google form. If you haven't already created a form, you can do so by heading to the Google Forms site and starting a new form. Once you're in the form editor, you'll have the ability to add questions to your form. Locate the question to which you want to allow multiple selections. Click on that specific question. You'll see options appear to the right of the question text box. Here, you can choose what kind of response you allow. By default, this might be set to short answer or multiple choice. To allow respondents to select multiple answers, change the question type. Click on the drop-down menu next to the question and select checkboxes instead of multiple choice. The checkboxes option enables multiple selections, which provides the flexibility you're aiming for. Once you've chosen checkboxes, it's time to enter the different answer choices you'd like users to select from. Type these into the fields provided under your question. You can easily add more choices by clicking the Add Option button, should you need several options for your users to choose from. One helpful tip here is to keep the options specific and clear so that respondents aren't confused about what they should select. You can also include an Other option if you'd like to give users the ability to write in their own response. This can be done by clicking Add Other, which is commonly included for more open-ended feedback. Once you've entered all the available choices, take a moment to preview your question by clicking the eye icon at the top right of the form. This preview will show you exactly how the question will appear to respondents, and you can test the multiple selection capability here. If everything looks good, your setup is complete. All that's left is to share your form. Click the Send button in the upper right corner and choose how you'd like to share it. You could email it, send a link, or even embed it on a website. As responses start to come in, you'll be able to see the multiple selections users have made in the Responses section of your form. And that's it. You've now enabled multiple answer selections in your Google form. Utilizing this feature can significantly improve the quality of the data you collect, as it allows for more nuanced feedback and understanding of your respondents' preferences or opinions. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful guides. See you in the next video.